Hey everyone, recently we have released a new discount type which is unit discount. So how you can use that? So first of all, let us go to sales and purchase. Now here, click on create document, then click on order confirmation. Once I will go on order confirmation, I will select the buyer. I will just mention few of the details and then after below I will add the item. So suppose if I want to enter the unit discount type. How I can do that? First of all, let me just unselect all other discount and keep only one discount here in the document. Now here, please check. Once I will mention 10. Now what is 10? How I can select it? So here you will get an option of discount type. Click on this percentage rupee and rupee per unit. I will select the rupee per unit and then after the discount will be applied on per unit. So going below, I will quickly just go ahead and save and send, save and confirm. Now please check. I simply mentioned 10 rupees per numbers. Now what is the discount which came? You can have a look. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to add per unit discount. Have a good day.